Antigravity Plus. Claude Code is insane. What if AI could build your entire app while you watch? No typing, no coding, just tell it what you want. Today, I'm showing you two AI tools that work together like magic. And when you combine them, it's absolutely wild. This is the future of coding, and it's happening right now. Okay, so today we're talking about something that's breaking the internet right now. Google Antigravity plus Claude Code. And I'm not exaggerating when I say this combo is absolutely insane. Let me show you why everyone's freaking out about this. So first, what even are these tools? Let's start with Google Antigravity. It's an agent-first IDE. What does that mean? It means AI agents actually do the work for you. They plan, they code, they test, they verify. You just tell them what you want. Think of it like having a whole team of developers working for you, except they're AI and they never sleep. Now here's what makes Antigravity different from something like Copilot. Copilot just auto-completes your code. That's useful, sure. But Antigravity builds entire features from scratch. You give it high-level instructions and it handles everything. The planning, the implementation, the testing, all of it. And get this, it creates something called artifacts. These are verifiable outputs that show you exactly what the AI is doing. Task lists, plans, screenshots. So you're not just hoping it works, you can actually see the process. Now, Antigravity uses Google's Gemini 2.0 Pro model by default. But here's the cool part. It also supports Claude Sonnet, Claude Opus, and even GPT models. So you're not locked into one AI. You can switch based on what works best for your project. The interface has two views. There's the editor view, which looks like a normal IDE, and there's the manager view, which is like mission control for multiple AI agents. You can have different agents working on different parts of your project at the same time. It's wild. And right now, it's in public preview, which means it's free to use, though they did adjust the rate limits recently because so many people are using it. All right, now let's talk about Claude Code. This is Anthropic's agentic coding tool, but instead of an IDE, it lives in your terminal. You use it through command line, and it's powered by Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4. Claude Opus 4 is their most powerful model for reasoning and coding. It came out in late 2024, and it's incredibly good. Now, what makes Claude Code special? It's absolutely excellent at front-end work, building user interfaces, debugging, precision coding. It's also amazing at architectural planning. Like if you need to think through how your whole project should be structured, Claude Code crushes it. And because it's terminal native, it works with any editor you're already using. You don't have to switch your whole setup. Now here's where it gets really interesting. People figured out you can run Claude Code inside Antigravity's terminal. Wait, what? Yeah, you can combine both tools in the same workflow. And this is why everyone's saying the combo is insane. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. The best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Antigravity and Claude Code. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab. So here's the workflow that people are using. You use Antigravity for the big picture stuff, the backend, the database, the infrastructure. Antigravity's agents handle all the heavy lifting and automation. They plan out the whole project. They execute tasks. They run tests, all autonomous. Then you bring in Claude Code for the front-end precision work. The user interface, the design components, the debugging. Claude Code is just better at this stuff. It's more precise. It thinks through the details better. So the combo looks like this. Antigravity handles the back-end autopilot work. Claude Code handles the front-end craftsmanship. And you get the best of both worlds, speed plus precision. Autonomy plus quality. It's like having two specialized teams working together perfectly. Let me give you a real example. Let's say you want to build a new landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Something that converts, shows the value of AI automation, explains all the benefits of our community. Here's what you'd do. You'd open Antigravity and give it a high-level instruction. Build a landing page system with a contact form, email integration, and analytics tracking. Antigravity's agents would plan out the backend, set up the database, configure the email service, hook up the analytics, all automatic. Then you'd open Claude Code in Antigravity's terminal and you'd say, create a modern landing page design that highlights these 3 benefits and includes social proof. Claude Code would generate the front end, clean code, beautiful design, optimized components, and because you're using both together, they work in harmony. The back end from Antigravity talks to the front end from Claude Code. Everything just connects. No friction, no manual integration work. It's seamless. Now let me show you why this is actually insane. First, the speed. You can build things that would normally take days or weeks in hours. Because the AI agents are doing all the grunt work, you're just directing them. Second, the quality. Because you're using specialized tools for what they're best at. Antigravity for autonomous execution. Claude Code for precision work. The learning curve is actually not that bad. Yeah, there's some setup involved. But once you understand how to give good instructions, it's incredibly powerful. Now, are there downsides? Of course. The rate limits can be annoying if you're doing heavy work. Google adjusted them recently because demand was so high, and you do need to verify what the AI builds. It's not perfect. No AI is. But the artifacts in Antigravity help with this. You can see exactly what's being built at each step. Also, there's definitely a learning curve with the terminal for Claude Code. If you're not comfortable with command line, it might feel intimidating at first, but honestly, it's worth learning because the power you get is incredible. This is why people are calling this combo insane. It's not hype, it's real capability. Now, what does this mean for the future? We're seeing a massive shift in how coding works. It's moving from I write every line of code to I direct AI agents to build what I need. And tools like Antigravity and Claude Code are leading this shift. By 2026, this is going to be normal. Everyone will be using AI agents to code. The people who learn these tools now are going to have a massive advantage because they'll be able to build things faster, better, and more efficiently than everyone else. So here's what I recommend. Go try Antigravity. It's free in public preview. Get comfortable with how the agents work, then add Claude Code to your workflow. Start small. Build something simple. Maybe a landing page for your business or a tool to automate one of your processes. Just get your hands dirty and experiment because this technology is only going to get better. And the sooner you learn it, the more you'll benefit. The combination of these 2 tools gives you superpowers. You can build professional applications without being a professional developer. You can automate complex workflows without spending weeks learning to code. You can test ideas quickly and iterate fast. And that's the real game changer here, speed of execution. When you can build something in hours instead of weeks, you can try more things, test more ideas, find what works faster. That's incredibly valuable. Think about it like this. Right now, most businesses are stuck waiting on developers. They have ideas, but they can't execute fast enough. With Antigravity and Claude Code, you become the developer. You have an idea in the morning. By afternoon, you have a working prototype. By evening, you're testing it with real users. That's the kind of speed that changes everything. And here's another thing people don't talk about enough. These tools are getting better every single week. Antigravity just launched a few months ago, and it's already this powerful. Claude Code keeps getting updates that make it smarter and faster. In 6 months, these tools are going to be even more insane than they are today. So if you start learning now, you're setting yourself up to ride this wave as it gets bigger. Now, if you want to dive even deeper into AI automation, I've got something special for you. I run a community called the AI Profit Boardroom. The best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Learn how to save time and automate your business with AI tools like Google Antigravity and Claude Code. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 40,000 members who are crushing it with AI. The link is in the comments and description. It's at school.com/AI Profit Lab.